Okay, guys, we are going for a IV, right? Yes. We are going for an industrial visit to TVS company. So from today, we are starting a new vlog, guys. I think you all will have a good experience rather than my normal vlogs. So we are going from our class. And guys, this is Beam Dirt, right?
Yes.
And it's a unique name. He's from Himachal, right?
Yes,
And this is our boys gang. There is Sunil Chetri here.
Eyesight. Okay.
So guys, the bus is ready. We are going. It's Punjabi song.
Yeah, bro.
Hey! Guys, this is the company we have visited, and this is in Alagarh or something in Himachal Pradesh. They have 3 plants it seems, and one is here, and one is from South India, Hosur, and another is in Mysore. Okay, they didn't allow us to take phone inside, so I couldn't capture inside. So this is the outer portion, and it was a big company that I have visited for first time. The whole TVS manufacturing was held here. So guys, we are leaving, guys. And this is what only I can show you guys, because they are restricted inside. Photography is prohibited inside. And our bus is ready, we are going back.
Wait.
So guys, we are going back. It's a bad boy. Bad boy from Chandigarh. So we are ending our IV vlog, guys. Okay, bye.